Did you know that over 1.5 billion people around the world speak English? That's right. English is not just language, it's a bridge that connects people from different cultures. What if you feel nervous about speaking it? Don't worry. In today's video we are starting our journey into basic spoken English. This is class 1, and by the end, you'll feel more confident in your speaking skills. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about greetings. How do you say hello in English? The simplest way is to say hello. You can also say hi or hey. These are friendly and casual ways to greet someone. Now, let's practice. Imagine you meet a friend. You can say, "Hi, how are you?" This is a great way to start a conversation. Next, let's move on to introductions. When you meet someone new, you can say, "My name is," your name. For example, "My name is Sarah." Then, you can ask, "What's your name?" This keeps the conversation going. Now, let's practice this together. I'll say my name, and you can repeat after me. My name is, your name. Great job! Now, let's talk about asking questions. Questions are important in conversations. They show that you are interested in the other person. A simple question you can ask is, "Where are you from?" For example, "Where are you from?" If someone says, "I'm from Canada," you can respond with, "Oh, that's cool." This shows you are engaged. Let's practice asking and answering. I'll ask, "Where are you from?" You can answer, "I'm from your country." Awesome! Now, let's learn some common phrases. These phrases can help you in everyday conversations. One useful phrase is, "Can you help me?" If you need assistance, this is a polite way to ask. Another phrase is, "I don't understand." If someone says something you don't get, it's okay to say this. Let's practice these phrases together. Can you help me? I don't understand. Perfect. Now, let's talk about small talk. Small talk is a way to chat about simple topics. You can talk about the weather. For example, you can say, "It's a nice day today," or "It's really cold outside." These comments can lead to longer conversations. Let's practice small talk. I'll say, "It's a nice day today." You can respond, "Yes, it is." Great. Now, let's move on to some vocabulary. Learning new words is key to speaking English. Let's start with some everyday words. For example, food, water, and friend. You can use these words in sentences. For instance, "I like pizza." Or, I need water. Let's practice using these words. I like your favorite food. I need something you need. Fantastic. Now, let's wrap up with some tips for practice. The best way to improve is to speak as much as you can. Try talking to friends or family in English. You can also watch English movies or shows. Listen to how people speak and try to repeat. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you want to learn in the next class? Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep speaking, and you'll get better every day. See you in the next video.